Welcome back to Old Studio Car, the place where classic muscle never dies. Today we're diving into one of the most iconic American machines ever built, the 1970 Pontiac GTO. This car didn't just define the muscle era, it ruled it, and even today it stands as one of the most admired vintage performance legends. In this video, I'll take you through its exterior updates of the time, its performance, maximum speed, fuel average, and what the current market price looks like for collectors and restorations. So let's get straight into the power and presence of the 1970 GTO. Talking about the exterior, the 1970 Pontiac GTO received some noticeable styling updates that made it more aggressive and modern for its time. The front end adopted a clean, split grille design which gave it a bold, intimidating face. The hood-mounted tachometer remained an iconic touch, while the twin-scooped hood added a raw muscular attitude. The body lines were sharper, the stance was lower, and the chrome accents were placed perfectly to enhance its muscle car identity. The hidden headlights option gave the car a mysterious and sleek profile, making it instantly recognizable even from a distance. The rear end featured a smooth bumper integration with updated taillights, giving a cleaner and more refined finish. Even though these updates were small, they transformed the GTO into a more serious street beast while still keeping its classic American muscle charm intact. Under the hood, the 1970 GTO delivered performance that made competitors nervous. The most common engine was the 400 cubic inch V8, producing around 350 horsepower. But Pontiac also offered the mighty 455 Ho engine, which pushed the performance envelope even further. This engine delivered strong torque, brutal low-end power, and a thrilling exhaust note that defined the muscle era. The Ram Air 3 and Ram Air IV packages added even more power, sharper throttle response, and improved breathing for the engine. The GTO was known not just for straight-line acceleration, but also for decent handling for a muscle car of that era. Its heavy-duty suspension, wide tires, and firm steering made it more stable at high speeds compared to earlier models. On the road, the 1970 Pontiac GTO could sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 6 seconds, which was extremely quick for the 70s and still impressive today for a stock vintage setup. With the Ram Air engines, the acceleration felt even stronger. The maximum speed of the 1970 GTO ranged between 125 to 140 miles per hour depending on the engine option and gearing. This top-end performance was more than enough to earn the GTO a dominant reputation on American roads. It wasn't just a car, it was a statement of power, sound, and pure driving thrill. Now when it comes to fuel average, muscle cars from the 1970s were never built with economy in mind, and the GTO is no exception. The fuel consumption typically ranged from 8 to 12 miles per gallon depending on driving style and engine configuration. The larger 455 engines naturally consumed more fuel, especially when driven hard. But for true muscle car enthusiasts, the fuel cost was always secondary to the sound and performance of that massive V8 under the hood. Let's talk about the current price update for the 1970 Pontiac GTO. These cars have become highly collectible, and the market value depends on condition, originality, and engine type. A well-maintained driver-quality GTO usually starts around $40,000 to $65,000. High-spec models like the Ram Air IV or restored show-quality cars can easily climb into the $90,000 to $150,000 range or more. Extremely original or rare factory variants can even cross the $200,000 mark at auctions. The GTO has steadily increased in value over the years, making it not only a thrilling machine but also a solid investment for collectors. So that wraps up our full review of the legendary 1970 Pontiac GTO. From its bold exterior updates to its powerful performance and rising collector value, this car remains one of the greatest icons of the muscle era. If you love classic American performance, don't forget to subscribe to Old Studio Car for more timeless automotive legends. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.